Alright, welcome to the channel guys. As you can see, today we have a very interesting product from Decathlon. So this is the Decathlon Forclaz 70-liter backpack. So I have already opened this product, so just for the video's sake we'll be opening one more time. So yeah, it has a simple packaging. As soon as you open the package, the bag here itself. So this is how the bag looks. So this bag is selling in quite a lot of places, and here it had a really good deal. So that is why I couldn't resist buying it. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Let me open it. Here it says travel 570 liters. It's a 70-liter capacity backpack. And the first zipper access here you have is this one, where you can keep your sleeping bag. So this is mainly for sleeping bag, but if you're not carrying sleeping bag, you can keep here your shoes here as well. And this thing here is to carry something beneath this bag. And coming behind, this is how the bag is. So this orange stripes you see here is used to adjust this. So when you pull this, it will be adjusted according to your size. And as you can see at the back, it has got very good design. It says easy fit here, and this thing you see is adjustable. Talking about the zippers, it has one big front chain here, which will pull this part, and there is one more zipper here where you can keep some stuff. This is a usual travel backpack, so if you are traveling, it is not mainly for hiking and all. You can use it for travel purpose. Let me show you how it opens here. And one more thing, it has got the lock system here. So this is the main compartment. You can lock it here like this, and for the other one, even for this, you have got one small thing here to lock. So let me open this and show you. And the upper part you see here actually comes out. As you can see, so this is called the day backpack. It has got 10-liter capacity. It's just not the sleeve. If you open this, you have got two zippers inside. One is the mesh one, and this small thing here where you can attach the keys, and you can keep stuff in the mesh transparent part. And the other is the non-transparent. So it has got two zips inside this. So this one, so the capacity of this bag is 10 liters, and this whole bag is 60 liters. So this is the bag, and this is a separate sleeve. This is of very good quality. Decathlon can sell it separately for around 1,000. The quality is that good. And one more thing is, it has rain cover also, which is here. So as you can see, there is one small. If you open, it has got the rain cover. This is the rain cover, which looks of very good quality. And this is a 360-degree rain cover where you can close the whole backpack inside. So let me show you how it looks with the rain cover on. So with the rain cover on, you can use like this, but if you want to close it completely, this is how you should do it. Here you have the thing where you can pull and lock this. So once you lock this, you can carry your bag like this. And there is a small thing here where you can attach this. And you can carry your bag like this. And as I said, it comes with a 10-year warranty. And if you are interested in buying this bag, I will leave a link in the description box down below. And I was showing this part to you. And one more thing is, it has got metal rods here, all which helps in the sturdiness for this bag. So yeah, this is the best thing about this bag. It opens like a suitcase or a normal backpack. As you can see, this is how it is. You can keep your stuff and lock it for stability. And on this side you have got the laptop sleeve. So this is the place where you can put the laptop, and this is one meshed compartment where you can keep stuff and see what is there inside. And one more, you have got one interesting part is, here inside you can keep your water pouch, and there is a place here where you can pass the pipe. You can pass it from here, and on this you can keep it and have the water. And at the front side, this is how it is. It has got one small pouch here where you can, for quick access, you have got one pouch here as well. And there are this, so this is a place to keep water bottle or any other stuff. It's quite big. And you have got zip here also. So this is on both the sides, yes. Water pouch and zip. So yeah guys, that's all about this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do comment down in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.